Waffles love to chase balls, like this one. And there are a few different ways you can move it around. You can throw it and have them go chase it. Oh, Wiggles is interested. Hi, Wiggles. You can roll it on the ground and blow it. Whoa! Or we can use a very special way using all of these tubes. So here's our air tubes. Watch the balls go. Wiggles is ready. You can probably hear him. He is ready for this. Tell me when.
Go, assistant, go!
Wiggles!
Wiggles, you missed it! Waffles kind of sees them.
Oh, Wiggles, they're getting you. Do you want to know how it works?
Yes, assistant, tell us how it works.
Okay. So I have my ball here, and then you put it through here, which is where all the air is coming from.
Okay.
And now the atoms in the air push the ball along the tubes and through the track to the end, picking up speed, just as if you were blowing it with your mouth.
So let's show us again. So you put it in.
Okay. Then it goes through the tubes and out.
So can you do any other things? Wait a minute.
Waffles is certainly ready.
We have one of their favorite toys.
A beaver, Waffles?
So listen, if you have to put something in that's about the same size as the tube, right?
Yes, and make sure it's not wet, because sometimes when the dogs chew on their toys a lot, it kind of gets stuck in there. Oh. Get it, Waggles. He turned the other way. Good job, Waggles.
Are you
Good
ready?
job. You want to go get it, Waggles?
Let's try it one more time.
Ready? Get it. Whoa, get it.
Oh, good job!
Yay, Waggles.
Let's try again.
Ready, Waggles?
So she's gonna put it in
Get
up
it.
there. Oh, good job! Good job.
Oh, Waggles.
Uh-oh. Waggle sometimes doesn't like to share.
Oh, gosh.
We had a trick waffle. All right, here we go. So let's see how it works. Ready? You're putting it in.
Ready, Waggles? Waggles. Get it.
Good job!
Oh, Wiggles.
Oh, Wiggles, what are you doing up there? Oh, you tried to find a shortcut, didn't you? All right, assistant. We're gonna find the ball that has a treat in it, and we're also going to redesign the course a little bit, right?
Right. Now we've added this fan kind of thing. See, you'll see when a ball comes out. Here's what it looks like still. Oh, here comes a ball. Oh!
Wiggles.
Whoa. Wiggles, you might be blocking the view here, buddy. Ugh. There you go. All right, another ball.
Another ball.
This basically catapults the ball out, and it kind of goes in a random direction. Whoa, but usually that way.
All right, this time we're gonna add a toy.
Oh. Oh, Waggles. Oh, where'd it go? Waggles loves this. Oh, fixed it.
All right, this is the one with the treat inside of it.
Ooh, Waffles, your treat.
Waffles, you want the treat?
You want
Who
your
wants the
treat,
treat?
Mom?
Ready? Here we go. Here's the treat.
Whoa! Whoa! Waffles! Waffles, your treat! Waffles, your treat! Look, your treat, Mom! Oh, there goes Waffles! There goes! There goes! Oh!
Good job. Are you ready?
That was funny.
All right, here we go.
Waffles, there it is! There it goes! Waffles, there it goes! Oh!
Ready?
Hurry, keep
Look.
going! Waffles, look! Here! Wiggle! Uh-oh. She put it in her mouth, so it got stuck.
I think I got teeth. Here we go.
Oh, Waffles, look, there it goes. What? Go again. Waffles, let's get going
There
here.
it goes. There it goes.
Over here. Wiggle.
Wiggle, be nice.
I think he just wants to play. New design, and I think this one is even cooler because you can switch which way the ball goes. So, using this knob right here, you can redirect the air to either go out this side, where it goes through the spinny thingy, or this side, where it goes through the little air tubes guy. And the ball comes out at the top. See? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Put a ball through.
Waffles, you ready? You
I
ready?
think I'm going to start on that side.
Okay.
Wiggles is ready. Oh, oh, oh. Get it, Waffles. Get it, Waffles. Get it, Waffles. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, switch. Oh.
All right, here's your beaver.
Oh.
Here's the toy. Here's the red toy. Who wants the red
Side.
toy?
Wiggles,
You want the red toy? Ready? Go.
get it. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah.
Ready for the red toy? Ready? Who wants it? Waggles, you want it? Waggles, you want it? Ready?
The toy. Waffles, get the toy. Waffles, get it. Oh, oh.
Get the toy.
All right, it's going out the other side now.
You ready?
Oh, oh, right here. Oh, wiggle. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, you ready? Let's try the beaver. Let's see if it'll work.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Wiggles actually knocked over the whole thing.
No bueno, no bueno. I don't think the beaver can fit.
Oh no, the beaver's stuck. Is it stuck in there?
Yeah, it's definitely stuck. I'm trying to push it out.
Mm,
Maybe a ball would help?
Maybe.
All right, well, let's try this.
With you guys, the
Maybe it just hit it at a weird angle.
I think so. Oh wait a minute! What, Wiggles? Wiggles, you're breaking it. You can't get the table.
Try the beaver again.
Okay. We're gonna have to.
Wiggles, you just messed it up, right?
All right, so everything has to be at the right angle so we have maximum airflow. The beaver needs as much air to push this thing along as possible. Ready?
Yeah!
Okay, you need to turn over. It's a little. We can't see the one behind you. Okay.
Okay, which way first?
It's up to you.
This way. Wiggles, you're blocking it. Yo, Waffles! Ready to do another one?
All right, ready? All right, Wap. Ready? Ready? Get the balls. Get the balls. One. Sissy, can you get one way and the other way?
I was trying to do it.
Ready? Go. 1, 2. All right. We're now ready for the beaver.
Oh.
But here's
Oh, Waffles, the beaver.
the favorite toy. What do you think, Wags? All right, so here we have the beaver. Right here. Ready, guys?
Oh, Waffles, get the beaver. Get the beaver. Waffles.
In you go.
Look. Oh, no, it's stuck. Yo, get it. Oh, oh, right there. Where Wiggles is.
Uh-oh. You're pushing the
It's
stuff.
okay. I'll fix it.
It has to be perfectly straight to maximize the airflow, right?
Ready, Waffles? Get it.
Ready?
Whoa. Oh, there it goes. Whoa. Push it. Go. Oh,
Oh, good job. All right, Wasp. Ready for again? You ready again? All right.
oh, right on the chair.
All right. So, Sissa, we'll do it on that side right there, right?
Which side?
On the side by the
Yeah.
fan. Ready? I'm gonna put it in.
Get it, Waffles. Get it, Waffles.
There it goes.
Oh, there it goes, Waffles. Waffles,
Ready?
there it goes.
Oh, Waffles, you're kind of
I think she's kind of scared of Wiggles.
Oh, Wiggles, Wiggles, you need to get away, buddy. You're scaring Waffles. You're scaring Waffles. Ready? Go. Here you go. Oh, so close. All right, ready? Wax, you ready? All right, here we go. Ready, Waffles? Go.
Oh, it passed through. Oh!
Oh, that's it. All right, we're gonna give it one more time, and then we're gonna do ball-palooza. Lots of balls at one time. All right, here we go. Ready?
Here goes.
I'm gonna actually put Waggles' favorite in there. Ready, Wags?
Whoa! Okay, pick the beaver.
Here's the beaver.
Oh, push through. Oh.
Oh, all right. Now look, I'm gonna put all these balls through. Ready?
I'm gonna switch it back.
Switching it. Go.
Whoa, they're going everywhere.
I'm gonna hit Waggles.
All right.
So, Susan, this has been a fun experiment with what? Air pressure, right?
Air pressure and doggies.
With dogs, seeing if they can figure out this course, which they kind of didn't really do a great job.
Waffles figured it out at the end. They
Yeah.
have a hard time following through.
Waggles is like, just give me treats.
Yeah, he's in it for the treats.
All right. So we had fun building different kinds of courses, didn't we?
Yeah.
Some with high drops.
This one was my favorite though.
I think it's my favorite too. All right, what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.